Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds, happy plugs, joy. So in this video I'm going to use this type of brush. You can also use a toothbrush if you haven't cleaned tool. Also ear stick and isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now, at the bottom of each earbud we have two charging contacts. Right here, these golden dots, this one is it. So, I am going to apply isopropyl alcohol firstly at the left earbud. Here we go, and now I will clean it with a brush. Here we go, now the right one. And then I will apply it to the charging contacts at the charging case. So if you open it, right here we also have charging contacts. That's why I need ear stick. And the right side. Here we go. Now we can also clean the grill. You can use the same type of brush and just slightly clean it. Here we go, and the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!